Thank you for joining us for this inside view of how Teamcenter Visualization and VR can help you deliver products to market faster. Immersive technologies have arrived, and today many leading companies already see value in immersing themselves in digital prototypes for real-time holistic viewing and analysis of their products and product data. Experts predict that in just a few years, this technology will be in place for a majority of enterprise manufacturers. You don't want to miss this key opportunity to improve your product development processes. Be one of the first to leverage this new cutting-edge technology to win in the markets. Why invest in VR now? With the richness of VR functions available today, VR can simulate most business processes in the physical world, ranging from customer services to marketing, finance, HR, and production. In manufacturing, VR mimics characteristics of parts and processes to be simulated and tested, saving companies from creating expensive physical prototypes. And mobile VR is a reality now. With affordable prices for computing and support for low-cost VR devices, industry leaders are realizing that this technology can help to improve product development processes and help you get your products to market faster. Now that you can see why virtual reality is so important for product development, let's take a closer look at Teamcenter, which helps you to realize the potential of digitalization. You can make informed decisions and catch issues early by performing full-function design reviews. You can provide access to 2D and 3D data to users throughout the product lifecycle and support a rich, immersive user experience to help users work with and know your products better. Let's hear more about how visualization enables digitalization from Siemens Teamcenter Product Manager, Kilian Knoll.
As we are providing all the information and all the analysis capabilities on that digital twin, the question is like, well, what is in it for me from a customer perspective, right? So the key points there are, we are supporting you in reducing the number of physical prototypes, which then obviously results in reduced cost and reduced cycle times to the overall development process.
Teamcenter helps to bring products to market faster by streamlining collaboration processes. You can reduce rework with visualization of BOMs and configurations in the context of the work to be performed. You can lower costs with support for digital prototypes and increase the quality of products with precise design reviews. And Teamcenter can help to transform your business by leveraging the latest cutting-edge visualization and VR technology integrated into the strong Teamcenter PLM backbone. With Teamcenter, visualization and VR capabilities are embedded right into PLM processes and readily available to users across the enterprise. No conversion process requirements are needed for viewing 2D and 3D models when sharing and analyzing data with your teams. Lifecycle visualization and mockup capabilities leveraging ISO standard JT format enable design teams to collaborate on high-level digital prototypes comprised of thousands of parts and components. In this product demonstration of Teamcenter, we're seeing visualization and digital mockup capabilities. Keep in mind, there is no install required to enable this technology. Massive model visualization is used to enable quick display of huge models on any device. Massive model visualization loads the visible components almost instantly and allows the user to start interacting with the model before the model is fully loaded. Internal and out-of-view elements are not loaded, eliminating the wait time typically associated with large models. This plane has over 15,000 elements coming into view, but as you can see, is viewable and active in just seconds. Teamcenter supports working with digital prototypes to lower your costs. Leveraging neutral, CAD-agnostic JT file formats of design data, Teamcenter visualization and VR solutions enable real-time viewing and verification of design data. You save time with the ease of getting to the visual data of your product and money with no added costs for data translations. Kilian Knoll now shares his thoughts on benefits to moving to virtual reality.
So as customers are wanting to deploy VR-type solutions, in contrast to like 10 years ago where it was a very kind of complex setup, like where you had to spend $1 million plus to set up a cave or power wall. Right now, the price point of hardware has dropped significantly. Like the low-cost VR devices are at around like 800 to 1,500 bucks. You already have the equivalent or the appropriate hardware available to you as you're running the desktop type environments. And the setup is like a 10 to 15 minute activity. It's a one-time deal, and then you're done and your users can get exposed to the VR solution.
The ISO standard JT format is important for visual collaboration between internal and external teams. It eliminates the need for CAD data translations, which can be error-prone and time-consuming. OEMs and suppliers can exchange design data securely and seamlessly. Visual and immersive collaboration sessions on designs can be performed through individual sessions as well as conferencing with multiple users, eliminating the need for co-location. Innovation is enabled through visualization and virtual reality. Teamcenter Visualization enables digitalization of products and processes. It enables efficient collaboration with neutral views of data, which can lead to shorter cycle times and faster time to market. With visualization and virtual reality, new product introductions will require less cycle times, also helping to get products to market first. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website at siemens.com/Teamcenter.